everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix a frozen Instagram account. If your Instagram app has become unresponsive or freezes often, follow these simple steps to get it working smoothly again. The first step is to force close Instagram. Swipe up from the bottom and swipe Instagram away. After force closing, reopen the app and check if it's responsive now. Next, clear the cache or reinstall Instagram. On Android, clearing the app cache can often resolve freezing issues. Go to Settings, tap Apps, Apps again, select Instagram, then tap Storage, and choose Clear Cache. If you are using an iPhone, uninstall Instagram and then reinstall it from the App Store. Once you've cleared the cache or reinstalled the app, open Instagram again and see if the freezing problem is fixed. Next, switch your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can cause Instagram to freeze. Try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa and restart the app to see if the issue is resolved. Step 4. Restart your phone. If the app is still freezing, try restarting your phone. Sometimes a quick reboot can resolve app-related issues. And finally, report the issue to Instagram. If none of these steps work, it may be a bug in the app. You can report the problem by going to Settings, tapping Help, and selecting Report a Problem. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the freezing issue on Instagram account. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!